In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily add both text and images to your Google Sites. Whether you're creating a personal project, a business website, or a school page, this simple guide will help you make your site look professional in no time. Let's start with text. Once you're inside your Google Sites editor, look over at the right-hand panel and click on Insert. From here, choose Text Box. A new text block will appear on your page. Just click inside it and start typing. You can also format your text by changing the font style, size, alignment, and even adding links if needed. Now for images. Go back to the same Insert menu and click Images. You'll see multiple options. You can upload from your computer, choose from your Google Drive or Google Photos, or even search the web directly within Google Sites. If you prefer, you can simply drag and drop an image straight onto your page. Once the image is added, you can resize it, move it around, and position it exactly how you want. And here's the final step many people forget. After making your changes, always click Publish in the top right corner. This makes sure your new text and images are live and visible to everyone who visits your site. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can add content and visuals that make your site engaging and polished. If you found this guide helpful, stick around because I've got more easy tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.